Just leave it.
Ladies and gentlemen of the Fourth Estate, we are here this morning as members and one community of Kisumu County to discuss the recent events that are worrying to the citizens, that are worrying to Kenya at large, because Kisumu has always been the hub of the region of almost all the 15 counties around us. We are also the hub for East Africa in this region. And the trends that we've seen over the first few months, the first few weeks, is worrying to all of us. We've sat down as a community and we've looked at the possible solutions. And we've agreed in principle that there are problems, and those problems and the solutions lies with us. Together with the governor's team, together with the Ngao, and together with the security team, we've agreed in principle that this must be nabbed in the bud. We cannot allow this to continue, and we do not want to derail the gains Kisumu has had over the last few years. We are here to address that. Thank you.